Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding your bank account mysteriously empty. No, not because you overspent, because the system quietly took your future, not drama. Real life. Every year, millions of Americans lose out on thousands of dollars simply because they made the same 3 avoidable money mistakes. What if I told you fixing one habit today could add tens of thousands to your life in 10 years? Stick with me for the next few minutes. I'll show you a simple, aggressive, and brand new approach to grow and protect your money in the US economy, even if you're starting from zero. Hi, I'm Naeem. If you want to stop surviving and actually make money work for you, not the other way around, this video is for you. No fluff. 3 tactical moves, real examples, and a plan you can start tonight. Let's be honest. Budgeting apps, advice threads, and viral finance tropes barely scratch the surface. The real problem? Small, invisible money leaks and bad timing decisions that stack up. Example: paying extra fees, letting cash sit in low-interest accounts, and ignoring the tax rules that could help your investments grow faster. It's not the one-time splurge that ruins your future, it's the monthly drip. That's why we'll fix habits, not just spreadsheets. Protect means emergency fund plus smart debt triage plus insurance hygiene. Not sexy, absolutely essential. 1. Build 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. 2. Attack high-interest debt first. Focus on the highest effective interest rate. 3. Do an insurance checkup. Health, renter, home, disability, if you earn wages. One missed policy can bankrupt a future. Amplify is where we get growth. The US market gives you powerful tools, but you must use them strategically. Max your tax-advantaged accounts first. 401k up to match, then Roth, traditional IRA. Use low-cost index funds as your baseline. Add one asymmetric bet, a small allocation, 3 to 7%, into a higher risk, high upside play. Time is your secret weapon. 3 timing rules. Not market timing, but action timing. 1. Dollar cost average into the market. 2. Rebalance quarterly. 3. Plan tax-aware withdrawals and conversions. Enough theory. 5 practical plays you can implement tonight. 1. Cancel one unused subscription and move the money to a buffer account. 2. Set up $50 a week auto transfer to investments. 3. Enroll for your employer, 401k, match. 4. Price check your insurance. 5. Pick one asymmetric bet. Invest $100 into a company, ETF, or side hustle. But what about market crashes? What if I don't earn enough? What if I already have debt? Crash? Buy quality when fear peaks. Low income? Start tiny. Consistency is currency. Heavy debt? Prioritize high interest, create a micro buffer, and use side hustles to accelerate payoff. Let's recap. Protect your base. Amplify with smart diversified growth and one asymmetric bet, and use time as your edge. Start tonight with those 5 plays, and in a year, you'll wish you'd started earlier. In 10 years, you'll be grateful. If you want a free worksheet that walks you through the exact numbers and automations, drop a comment, I'm in, and I'll pin it. Subscribe for weekly tactical finance plays for the US. No hype, just results.